Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The Type 1 engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 manages and protects circuits for the ECU, ABS, cooling system, lighting, and other critical engine components. The Type 2 engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 supports and safeguards power distribution to systems like the ECU, transmission, fuel system, and high-demand electrical components. The relay carrier under the electronics box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 controls high-power circuits for components like the ECU, glow plugs, and cooling fans. Heated windscreen relay. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 manages and protects circuits for interior features such as lighting, infotainment, power windows, and convenience systems. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 controls and protects circuits for auxiliary interior systems like seat heating, power outlets, and comfort features. Fuses and relays on left under dash panel. The fuses on the left under the dash panel in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 protect circuits for interior electronics such as driver seat adjustment thermal, fuse 1-S44. Relay Carrier 1 in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 controls secondary battery charging circuit relay J713100. Relay Carrier 2 in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 supports controls heated windows, wipers, and secondary power circuits. Type 1 perfuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 distributes high current power to starter motor and main relay fuse boxes. Type 2 perfuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 safeguards and distributes high amperage. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015 controls and protects circuits for rear electrical systems such as parking sensors, trailer socket, and rear power outlets.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.